Welcome to Module 6.18, YouTube for Research Dissemination. This session focuses on using YouTube strategically to share research and health information with a broader audience. YouTube is more than just a video sharing site. It's a global platform for learning, engagement, and influence. We'll cover the key advantages of using YouTube, how to optimize your content for visibility and impact, and how to build a professional presence that supports credibility and connection. YouTube offers a powerful channel for research dissemination. With billions of users, it provides access to a massive global audience. Its search engine capabilities, second only to Google, allow people to discover your videos through keywords and suggested content. Built-in analytics offer feedback on viewer behavior, helping you refine your approach over time. Videos can be easily embedded in websites, shared via social media, or included in digital reports and outreach materials. And importantly, YouTube offers no-cost video hosting, making it accessible for individuals and institutions alike. To make your videos discoverable and engaging, optimization is key. Start with a clear, compelling title and an informative description that uses relevant keywords. Conduct keyword research to identify terms your audience is likely to search for and include them in titles, tags, and descriptions. Create custom thumbnails that visually represent the content and encourage clicks. Images with faces, bold text, and color contrast often perform well. Structure videos to retain viewer attention. Begin with a hook, clearly outline the topic, and maintain a steady pace. Finally, use metadata and tagging strategically to enhance discoverability across platforms and related videos. Beyond individual videos, a well-maintained channel supports professional credibility. Organize your channel with clearly labeled sections and playlists to guide viewers through related content. Playlists help group videos by topic or series, making navigation easier. Use consistent branding elements, such as logos, colors, and intro-outro formats to reinforce your identity. Engage with your community by responding to comments and inviting discussion. Finally, promote your videos across platforms. Share links in newsletters, academic networks, Twitter, or LinkedIn to maximize reach. With a thoughtful strategy, YouTube becomes a powerful tool for broadening the impact of your research.